In this video, I would like to tell you about how does a API work. What is a API? So API. So what is the full form of it? Is application program interface. So okay. So when do we use API? Is it can be your Instagram. So let's take the Instagram example itself. So you have your Instagram page here, and this will be some statuses, and this will be one of your friend who has posted something he has posted, and here you have a likes, comment, and everything. You will be also be able to see the photo, the likes, how many likes, and you can also like it, and you can also comment it, and also it will tell you how many comments are there. So how do we get this information? So we get this information by a API by API. Now let me show you your mobile. This will be your mobile, this will be your website, and what happens here is both are the same. So it goes whenever you open your Instagram, right? So it goes to the internet. It can be your ISP, it can be your Airtel, or it can be your Geo. It goes to your internet. And now when you go to the internet, it will search for the Instagram server. So that will be a server Instagram, Insta. And what happens here is it will have a database that will be also be related here. Database, this can be Mongo, this can be database is something that you can store information of the users. Now API. So whenever you are calling, whenever something goes from here, this is a API call. This is trying to find the data, what it needs to show, everything, like it can be a photo, likes, or comment, or anything. Now how so now it goes from here, it goes to your Instagram server, gets the data, and gets back with whatever the data you wanted to view, and it goes back to the internet, and it goes back to your website or to your mobile. There is a big examples which people give are about the restaurants. So you go to a restaurant, so there you will be a customer. Let me draw. I'm not that great because this is my first video. Now when you go to a restaurant, you will find a waiter, and again there will be one more person who will be a chef. So this is how it happens. When you go to a restaurant, you order something, and that will be taken by the waiter, and from waiter then goes to the chef and orders what you need. It can be anything like a drink or a food or sides or anything. So after you have ordered, chef will prepare it. He will prepare it, and he will give back to the waiter. So waiter, what he does, he will go back to you and he will serve you. So here in this example, how can we explain the above diagram? That is, this is the server and this is the DB. So here what happens, server and DB can be a same here. Here you will be requesting, give me the information of the feeds of the Instagram, as I told you here. So whenever you get the information, right, information from the DB, you will see what you can prepare about it, like a photo, what and all, the likes and everything, like a data, and this will be given back to you. This is how API works. So as this was my first video, please comment if you need more changes in what I am doing here, and also you can give me a suggestions on what next educational video on software engineering I can do. So next I am thinking of doing for JWT. Please comment what I can do next. Thank you.